I'm like the last car in the line to pick up the kids. Oh my gosh. Hold on, because you know people freak out because you're doing untraditional stuff. So, anyhow, so I'm like the last person in the line. So I'm coming, right? Listen to this story. I'm coming, and there is a turning lane and a lane that goes straight. The turning lane goes on the highway. Nobody wants to let me over because you know it's Christmas and everybody want to do their last minute Christmas. So the dude didn't want to let me over, but he just doesn't know that I'm a horrible driver. I hope Robert's not watching this. So he's not letting me over, and there's another person in front of him going slow. So you know what I did? I went straight. I sure enough did, and cut off the lady that was trying to turn. Anyway, I gotta go because I gotta pick up my kiddos. I'll tell y'all the story later. Hi. How was your day?
Good.
Okay, hold it. Find YouTube and put a song on. Woosah, okay? Just woosah. My anxiety is acting up and I don't know why. Whew. Let me sit down. Maybe if I sit down for a little bit, it'll calm down. Oh, crap. Husband's home. Oh, my husband's home. But anyways, let me tell y'all the story before he comes here. So I'm going to pick up the kids. There's a lane that turns and then it just gets crazy in a little section where I have to pass through to go get the kids. And people just never wants to let anybody over. So I need great lighting to tell y'all this story. Okay, right here. So I'm going, and dude don't want to let me over. There's another car. She's going way too slow for me to merge in between both of them or to speed up. There's another truck that's actually turning. He's going slow. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm not going on the highway. Hi, husband. Hi, Rob. Hi. We weren't talking about you. I promise. We weren't talking. I don't know. Trash didn't come today. Kiss me.
Okay, come on.
Yeah. I love you. So, dude didn't want to let me over. So I'm like, I'm not going on that highway because I'm already late to go pick up my... Well, I wasn't late. I was like the last car in line. So I'm like, I'm not getting on the highway to go all the way down to turn around and chicken.
Why is it not?
Because I just got in the house.
Mommy's wrapping gifts.
I'm not. So you guys can come down and start. Tell his brother to come down. Please, it's not going to happen because Maddie is just bawling. Wrapping gifts going to have to wait. Come, Destiny's in the basement doing her homework.
Mommy,
Jason,
can I go to the bathroom?
come on.
Huh?
Can I go? Wait, you can come up.
Come on. So dude don't want to let me over. And I'm not trying to go on the highway. So I just kept going. The lady that was going slow, she honked me. I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm not going on the highway, lady. And he sped up. So I'm like, whatever. Still got over and I didn't get on the highway. It's frozen? Okay. You want it on the stovetop or in the oven? Oven? Okay. I'm going to go start dinner and get these people situated. I'll catch up with you guys in a little later. No, you don't need your notebook. Okay. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, last day of school for these two. And those two are already out. I need to button this up. But I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going nowhere. I just have a video to... I have a video to record, so that's why. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I have the sweetest little kiddos. I come home with Maddie, because I left her because they're off school. So I came home and they fixed her breakfast. Like, so she's sitting at the island eating her breakfast. Hold on. Hey, Ragamuffin.
Oh, my hand.
You're not Ragamuffin?
No, oh, my hand. Oh, my hand.
You're Madison? Okay, I'm sorry. She don't like when you call her out of her name. Look at this. Hi, Leah.
Aaliyah, oh, my hand.
You're not Aaliyah?
No, oh, my hand.
But your name is Madison Aaliyah.
No, oh, my hand.
Okay. All right. I love you, Pookums.
Oh,
You're not Pookums?
oh, my hand.
I'm Madison. Okay. I love you, Madison. Say, I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Madison.
Jaxson, pay attention to what you're
Say good morning, sunshines.
putting in my hand.
Good morning, sunshines.
In my hand.
Say it's time for me to eat. What's your affirmation today? Say I am beautiful. Madison, what's your affirmation? I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Madison. I am beautiful. I am powerful. Maddie, I am loved. I love you, Maddie. Have a good day, okay? Do your affirmation today. Madison. 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 Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Maddie, I am beautiful. I am. No? No, Madison. Madison, I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Maddie. Say good morning. Good morning, baby. You are so beautiful. Aaliyah, we haven't done affirmation in a while for the sunshines. Morning. Say, I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Aaliyah. She's like, leave me alone, Mommy. I just want to eat my breakfast. Aaliyah. If you're an OG, you know, I've been saying that to her since the day she was born. Hi, guys. I'm going to show you guys how I create my thumbnail. Someone asked me on Instagram. I believe it's Tina from the Queen's Vlog. She asked me how to create, what I use to create my thumbnail, and I'm just going to share here so she can see how exactly I do it. So what I do is, once I have my video upload, I'll go in and I'll click on the video before I set it out to public. I'll go in and I'll click on the video and I'll select a few parts of the video where I think it's thumbnail worthy, and I'll screenshot it. So from my iPhone, I will press the home button and the little button on the right, and I will click those at the same time to take a picture of the part in the video that I like, and then after that I will go inside of my camera and edit my photo. So I will play around until it looks refreshing and inviting, like, you know, I would want to click on that person's video. So I make it as bright as possible. And hey, it's not because I don't like the color of my skin or I'm too dark or whatnot. No, I want it to be brighter, so I edit my photo. Once I'm done editing the photo, what I do is I go in BuzzArt and I'll click Create Project. And then once I click that, I will upload the photo that I edited in my phone, and then I'll type a topic or a title topic. I'll type a title, and then I'll choose different fonts. So they have fonts, and you can do a lot on BuzzArt. You can explore and see what you like. I mainly use it to put title and also like little different images and stuff. I'll probably make a different video separate from this, how to use BuzzArt itself. So after I do that, I'll go and I'll outline the title and place it wherever I want on the photo, and I'll play around with the color and see which color best suit that photo. And then after that, I'll just mess around with it until it looks right. After that, I'll go in and save the photo to my camera roll, and then after that I will go into the app Fonto. After I go into Fonto, I'm going to click plain image, and then I'm going to customize it. So the correct thumbnail size for YouTube is 1280 by 720. And then after that, I will click save, use and save, or save and use, whichever. And then after that, to the left is that little thing at the bottom. You click that and you add image. After you add the image, you're going to go in and size it all the way until it fits the box. And after that, you just hit save, and voila, you got a thumbnail. And for the longest time, I was struggling with the size, and I'll make a thumbnail and thinking it's the correct size, and then YouTube is like, nope, try again. And so it was a pain. So I just figured I would put this in here for whoever does YouTube. I know Jennifer does it. I know the Queen Vlogs. I know Mia Joy, a bunch of folks that would probably benefit from this. So thank you guys so much, and I hope this was not an inconvenience for my regular viewers that don't do YouTube. Thank you guys so much. Bye guys. Oh no, I realized I was made I look through, don't mind me picky head, but made I look through all of my vlogs through the years. I've been on YouTube for a hot little minute now, and I realized I'm a boring vlogger. I'm very boring. So come 2020, I want to vamp it up a little bit. I want to vamp, whatever. So my husband told me to clean the house, and I did laundry. That's about it. I did laundry back and forth on Instagram, YouTube. Of course, I was looking for videos for affirmation, because I've been saying words of affirmation to Maddie since she was a baby. And of course, that's in the vlog right now. So that took a lot, because I had to go through my old videos and stuff. But me have to clean up the oaths. The husband sent me for clean today. Update on my weight loss. Look at my flab. I don't know. This is what's left. You see it? Looseness. I still have a little bit of fat in it, but this is years of gain, lose. So I have this right here, which I can work on. And then for my tummy, which my husband said if I get down to 140, he'll pay for a mommy makeover, whatever, where them lift up your titty and cut out your belly, where you get a tummy tuck and a breast lift. I need to do a video where I do Patois. I speak in Patois, which is the language Jamaicans speak. So we speak English, but whatever. Anywho, so I want to do a video where my husband translate what I'm saying and see how much he understands. But anyways, whatever. I digress. So instead of me get down to 140, he'll do that, and then 170, my closet, blah blah blah. But you want the house clean, so me go clean the house. Me go show no. I'm working on laundry right now. Go show no all of the laundry. The light in the house is horrible. I need to change out the bulb. But me have Destiny, Jaxson, and the twins, and then me have towel and throw blankets that I have to put away. For the most part, the kids' rooms are clean. The bathroom right here is clean. I just need to vacuum and then straighten up my room. So you guys go and watch me on speed thingy, and then I'm gonna put up this sangeet to you guys. And then day 23 will be finished of Vlogmas, which I'm really proud of myself, because usually by day 4 I quit, and then y'all get in between stuff. So I'm really proud. day 3, and I put up a video every single day. That's dedication, and simple means me love on. So me go clean the room before my husband come, and I'm pretty sure say I'm supposed to come soon. I'm there, y'all play with my little friend. No. Would never say that. Nobody saw that. Shut up. Better not comment either. So I'm gonna clean up the room, and I'm gonna explain to you later whether anyways, too much rambling. I'm gonna finish cleaning the room. Whatever. Don't make fun of my socks. I was going hi. Where's Maddie? Hey, Dr. Gal. Hey, Dr. Gal. So, I was gonna, I'm thawing this out because I need to season it for Christmas. And then this is dinner for today. But, me not clean, but me hungry. Like really, really weak hungry. It's like 2:43. And I haven't had anything to eat all day. So, I'm gonna use this vegan protein and greens, whatever, 1 scoop milk, 2% or 1% milk, and then I have strawberry and banana. This expired next month. I don't know how long I had it, so I'm trying to use it up. So I'm gonna put this in here and then make me a little meal. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It looks neonish, but it's brown. It's like really good. And then I have a bowl of leftover brown rice with a little bit of gravy. Just a little bit of gravy in Maddie bowl. I still gotta set that up. Mr. Rob is home, so y'all up in his personal space, but it's done. I feel to break out again, guys. Jesus, peace, man. Natalia, look at me with my picky dry head. Jesus. Oh. Anyways, what me that telling you? I was telling you guys, I need to translate when I get into my mode of speaking Patois, and then you guys are like, what the heck is she saying? I was in the process of telling you guys my weight. So I am sitting at 196 because Aunt Flo is getting ready to be here in a few days. Probably tomorrow, the 24th. It wicked. Right before Christmas. Right before Christmas. So, I don't know. My husband brought me home some Milo, or he brought me home something that's gonna, you know, help me out a little bit, but Aunt Flo chose the worst time to come, so sitting at a good 196. Yep, not moving one bit, and I probably won't move for another week, because when Aunt Flo is in town, I don't lose anything, and I gain a ton of weight, a lot of water weight, because my body, you know, my body is just weighed like that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with this long, drawn-out, boring vlog. It's just a crap. It's just a... But I promise, 2020 will be better. You will see more. Still, you know, not too much, because, you know, I'm an introvert. I'm an introvert at heart, and so is my husband, and we don't like to share the fact that he just sat on the toilet for 20 minutes. I don't know what he was... Hi, Rob! We weren't talking about you. Oh, hi, Rob. Say hi to the... Come out of the yellow light. Say hi to the folks.
Hi.
Rob's home for 2 days now. In that one for 2 days. He go back to work. Megan, come head downstairs, right? So anyways, me go talk to you tomorrow, which is Christmas Eve. Oh, the man hungry. All right, on the bye. Sooner or later.